Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with a cue card that was requested by many of the students. It is a cue card about describing an English lecture or a class that you enjoyed. Well, English is an international language and it plays a very major part in CBSE curriculum, and it has always been my favorite subject during my high school education. And the best lecture that I have ever had in English was when I was in 8th grade. So I was struggling with tenses and I had scored very low on the previous test, and I asked my teacher to help me learn the tenses, and I asked her to tell me about tips to remember the tenses perfectly. So she came up with a fun idea, and it was to link every individual in my class with a tense. So my best friend became simple present tense, I became past perfect tense, and that way every tense was linked with my classmate. So after about half an hour of that activity and making us practice those tenses again and again, converting simple present into past perfect into future tense, and after practicing for the entire period, I can surely say that my English was improved that day. And after years of education, I still haven't suffered in tenses after the amazing class that I had that day. I will forever be grateful to my teacher during my 8th grade, as she helped me get over the difficulties of remembering the perfect uses of tenses, and my grammar has been better ever since. I haven't made any mistakes during my English exams, and once I perfected my grammar, it also helped me expand my vocabulary, because I knew what tenses would go with some particular words, and after I had expanded my vocabulary, it became easy for me to infuse those words into my daily language, and I have become more fluent ever since. And I will always be thankful to my 8th grade teacher for introducing me to such a complex topic in such a fun way. If you found the video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends so they can score better too. Thank you.